Opo, magbabay tayo. Good morning, everyone! Gising na ang palangging-ging ni Mama.
Toes.
Eyes and ears and mouth and nose and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Tayo na kayo mag-breakfast na tayo. It's breakfast time! So, let's see if the 20 euros each is worth it, ha? Worth the price. Kakamahal ng breakfast nila dito ba? Pwede na.
At least he is free.
Yeah. Ang isa dito, nakapajama pa. Ayun na, tayo magkain na. All the eggs in the world, patay.
Scrambled eggs look like.
Gusto nila ata akong patayin dito yung totoo. But super good breakfast, mahal.
I even have donuts. Salad, look good.
Wow, make your own waffles, guys. 20 euros each is worth it. You couldn't ask for more, only rice. They don't have rice.
Just pour it in.
Yeah.
Hey, close the waffle iron.
That's like it.
Close and twist. Those are soft, I think, because you have them in here
Not
and
a
pancakes here. Oh, it is done now. So it's not coming out.
Even wachten.
Can I try a bite? If it's good.
Wait lang.
Vind je hem lekker?
Wow.
Yes. Brings me back, Mahal.
In China.
To China, yeah, always trying to get a hearty breakfast with bread and egg and cheese, and that I can go through all day.
That's what you eat in China?
The feeling of being so full.
You're already full?
Because this is very hearty breakfast.
So, how was it? Yummy?
Very good.
Sa akin lang, sa kinain ko, yun lang yung nakita po ninyo. Parang sobrang mahal niya para sa 20 euros. Si Daniel din, yun lang. First round lang. Busog na po siya, no? Pero okay na yun. Okay, mag-enjoy ba tayo dito, guys? Huwag na tayo magpakuripot-kuripot, no? Kay mabash tayo. Grabe ang toothpaste namin dito, guys. Very salty. It's from Seared. I thought it's from you, mahal.
Seared left this toothpaste at our place, and then you said that you had grabbed the toothpaste, so I think we have the nice toothpaste. But no, we have the salty stuff without the mint. It's not minty, it's salty.
Very salty. Parang ano ba, may... Ano din, parang may bitchin din. Ka-excited ba? Natahimik man. Nandiyan na pala siya nakaupo sa kanyang stroller.
Double check, do we have everything?
Yeah, we have everything. Say goodbye. Alis na po tayo. Magibang nasod na naman tayo, guys. Mangibang lungsod na naman po tayo. So, ang No Brussels Hotel po ay meron po siyang parking area. Pero you need to pay 29 euros a day. Mura na yan. That's already cheap, mahal, you think?
No,
For
I don't
parking.
think that's cheap, but you are inside the city, so it's fine. But I think you are renting a room here. They should give it included with the room. It's my opinion.
Guys, sinasabi po namin yung mga expenses namin dito, guys, not to brag or para magreklamo. Para po may ano kayo ba, may idea kayo, malay ninyo, yung ibang subscribers po natin gustong pumunta dito para alam nyo kung ano yung expect ninyo ba na
What are you saying?
budget money if you're going here. No, but that we're telling them, so when next time that they're coming here, they know how much they will pay or...
Oh yeah.
Alam nyo ba, guys, namumblema po ako ngayon. Today is Saturday. So, nagtataka kayo ngayon, no, na late si Inday Garnet or absent na naman si Inday Garnet. Ayoko po mag-absent. May ano po ako, may na-edit po ako kagabi. Upload ko na. Sus, grabe, kahina ng, ano, ng wifi sa, yun lang, sa hotel ba. Yun lang ang nakabaho sa kanila, no, na mahina po ang wifi nila. At saka ang ano din, ang data po sa Belgium kasi roaming naman ang gamit namin. Pero ngayon na nakalabas po kami ng city ng Brussels, malakas na. So late po ang ating vlog for today. Ma-upload ko to siguro mga anong oras na dyan sa Pinas, alas 6 siguro. Mabilis at mabagal pala. Mahina at malakas. Wow, you see that, everyone? We are here looking for the parking spot.
Yeah. Like driving here.
Ako yung narinig niyo yun, guys. That is Moy. Wow. Look at that, everyone. Tingin lang kayo dyan, guys, ha? Baka hindi natin wow! Look at that! Wow! The details, guys, the details. Wow.
Nobody.
Nahulaan nyo na ba kung saan tayo? Kaganda, oh. This is still Belgium, guys. We are today in the city of Ghent. Oh. Tinignan ako ng mata. Tingnan nyo naman, wow, the details. All the details in the world. Tingnan yung anak ko, nagano siya, nagtantrum siya, guys. Kaya nakatulog siya sa sakyan. Nagising. Ayan siya ngayon. Pero tingnan nyo naman, oh. Oh, dali na kay mama. Wow. Just wow. Kita nyo yan, guys. Cellphone ang gamitin natin sa pag-vlog ngayon kaya mas maganda po siya pag mga ganitong scenario. At ito. Wow.
What is nice?
What?
Ghent or Brussels?
We did not see it. It's just a...
Here, the castle, all the nice
Yeah,
buildings,
ay, it's a castle, mahal.
big church.
Yeah, it's a castle. Let's go, guys. Let's explore the city of Ghent.
So you have all the nice buildings here, or just the big ass buildings in Brussels. What's nice?
I like this more.
See?
I like historical, something. So this is the Grafenstein from 10th century. Wow.
What do you want to see? Lubot or tutoy?
Huh? What?
Do you want to see lubot or do you want to see tutoy?
Wala talagang magawa itong mister ko. Lubot ba daw or yung totoy ba daw doon? Oh. Let's go, mahal. Wow, ganito talaga yung mga gusto ko pag mag-ano ako guys, mag-bakasyon, mag-travel. Ganito yung mga gusto kong nakikita. Ayoko yung mga bagong building, yung mga modern masyado. Gusto ko yung very historic ba? Very old. Ganito oh. Look at that guys. Oh. Can we go inside, mahal? Let's see that. Siyempre may bayad na naman yan no. Pasok po tayo sa loob. Kung pwede. Wow. Ayun ang aking mag-ama oh. Sinata na tahimik. Kumakain po siya ng cookie. Hi, Nathan! Mama is here! Kayo guys, anong mas gusto nyo? Yung Brussels o ito? Ay, may pa-Christmas market na din po sila. Mahal, they also have the Christmas market now, even if it's still early. Wow! I love it! Nathan, gusto mo magsakay dyan? Ang entrance ng pasimbahan. Let's see, mahal, inside my lab. We are inside the church, guys. It's free. Sabi pa ni Daniel, that's new. Kay free daw. Madalas po dito pag mapasok kayo na simbahan, may entrance po talaga, no? Thank you, Lord, for all the blessings, Lord. Online ticket? Ay, tingnan nyo. May bayad pala. But not all people are doing that. Maybe it's just, ano Ben? Anong tawag dyan guys? Yung mag-ano lang ba? Mag-donate ba?
Let's see if you want augmented reality tour.
Ha?
If you want augmented reality tour, so on your phone you get stuffs. And
Ah, like that. So it's free. Kagandang simbahan po nito. Meron silang mga pa-Christmas dito. Kahit Nathan, Papa Jesus star. Ayun sa taas oh. Ayun doon sa Papa Jesus. Parang yan po yung confession area nila. So beautiful church, my love. In Antwerp, mahal. In Antwerp and in Brussels, we needed to pay for the church. Pag magpasok ka po dito, May bayad na. Ayan o, nakalagay o. Paying zone. Hello, Mama Mary. Mag-say hi ko kay Mama Mary. Hello, Mama Mary. Mag-say hi ko kay Papa Jesus. Hi, Papa Jesus. Hi, Mama Mary. Toto Fokan de Kier. Maliit lang po masyado yung kanilang Christmas market, guys. Ito na din yung kanilang pa-square ata eh. Wow! All the Christmas decors. And this one, meron silang pa-Japanese takoyaki. Yummy! May itlog. Bawal ako niyan. Uy, lumpia! I-try natin ang lumpia, guys. Ng Belgium. Ito lang po yun siya, oh. Maliit lang. Nathan, bilya lumpia? Nano na may tsura mo? What?
Yeah.
One?
I saw the takoyaki is 10 euros, so I'm thinking how much is lumpia? 8 euros, one lumpia.
Sa Netherlands sa tayo maglumpia, Nathan. Ano na nga tayo, magreklamo na nga tayo sa lumpia doon. Tag ano lang, tag 2 euros. Dito tag 8 euros ang isa. Binuang pod, uy. Hindi man yan naman. Uy, 7 pieces din, uy, ang lumpia, uy. Para sa 8 euros. Not bad, ay vegetarian pala siya. Gusto ko ng may chicken. Not bad, uy. Mahal. You're so judgmental, you know? 8 euros for 7 pieces. That's super cheap. But
For
it's
7 pieces?
Yeah,
Oh,
but it's
it says very
vegetarian.
big lumpia, 8 euros.
Yeah,
Then
it's-
maybe 7 pieces very small because I did not see that.
Pero makashock. That's also shocking, mahal, if one lumpia is 8 euros.
Yeah.
That's very shocking, dude. Hindi na yan normal talaga.
Here, mahal.
What is that?
That's a stone and you drip some scented oil on it.
Ah,
40 euros.
but really,
Mahal.
ha?
40 euros. 40. 40.
Yan ang,
For a
yeah,
little
that's my
stone.
Dutch husband, guys. Let's enjoy, mahal, ha?
Let's not buy that mahal, ha?
A lot like Christmas.
This is a lot more like the food you were looking for yesterday.
Smells very good. What is that? Ay, may burger. Burger yan. Ang aking naamoy. And what is this? Yeah. Dumplings, mahal. Baka may itlog yung dumpling nila. Ay, may lumpia na din. Kaganda dito sa Kent, guys. No, maliit lang po siya pero maganda. I love it. Wow. Vlog to vlog kami ni Manong eh. Yan yung simbahan na pinuntahan po natin. May part po siya na magbabayad. Yung parang sa, ewan ano yun. Mahal, which part is the one that you need to pay in the church, Mahal?
What?
Which part of the church that you needed to pay?
Where you can see the restoration of the altar.
Ah. Wow. They have blue vine, mahal. Saan ka magpunta? Hi! Hi! Susinatan mura man jud kurik. Uy, maglakad-lakad man jud. Mo pa yung mga tao dito, mga higanti. Akala ko yun lang yung pa-Christmas market nila, guys. Meron din pala dito, oh. Let's sit here, inside. Nakabili ata ng wallet si Daniel, guys. Show us, how much?
10 euros.
Wow!
This is pretty much the same wallet I already have, but that's the one I want.
Another Christmas market in Kent. Tingin lang kayo dyan, guys, ha. Basta pag may pa-music tayo, ibig sabihin, takot makapiright. Hi! Nag-hi na naman siya sa lahat ng tao dito. Mga cheese. Wow. Nice bar. Ah, grabe ka bango dito, guys. Uy, puro pagkain. Ano ba yung naamoy ko? Parang may ginigisa. Parang ito yung naamoy ko. Grabe ang uso. Yung potato yan. Potato with bacon and cheese. Nathan! Do you want to sit there, mahal? You want to sit? Ay! Buti na lang tumalikod tayo, guys. Nakita ko tuloy siya. Noodles and lumpias. Wow! I want lumpia. It's 3 pieces for 6.50.
Let's get the 7 for 8.
No, that's ano man, the vegetarian man.
It's vegetarian?
Yeah, this one is with the chicken.
Oh.
Ayan oh. Meron din silang vegetarian mini lumpia.
What do you want, mahal?
The lumpia kipra. 3 sticks. Yeah. Hakbal cheese, ano pa yung sa meatballs, tapos ito. Ano to siya, guys? Indonesia. Ayan yung pa-chicken niya. Oh. Ang sauce niyan, peanut. May kanin, kaya siya dito. Parang noodles lang man ang binibenta nila. Look at the lumpia, everyone. With chicken. Ang mag-ama ko ba, nawawala? Asan kaya yun? Guys, parang may itlog pa, guys. Tingnan nyo. Parang hindi ko pa makain. Tinatanong ngayon ni Daniel kung may itlog ba talaga. Pero sa tingin ko, meron po talaga, no? Na. I pity myself.
I pity me too.
Why? That you need to eat lumpia? Do you like it? How's the taste? What is nicer, this lumpia or in the
At home.
at home? Ang isa din kumakain.
At least the sauce is nice.
It's not so tasty, mahal, because it's Dutch lumpia, mahal. She's Dutch, magud mahal.
Yeah.
It's not Asian ba? Asian lumpia.
She's not Dutch.
She is. Oh,
No.
she's, what is Belgian? French? What's the taste? Tell me about it.
There's too much stuff in there. It's like, yeah, I think there's a lot of egg in there.
Yeah,
Looks like there's all the egg in
Yeah.
there. And that's
that's
what
what
it
I'm
tastes like.
saying. Sana all nag-enjoy sa lumpia ko.
I'm not enjoying mine.
You're not enjoying? Hati sila ni Nathan. 1.5 po sila, no?
We're here in Belgium, and we're on the Christmas market, which is something German. And I'm forced to eat Asian.
Ow. Nathan is enjoying. He is half Asian.
I'm not.
Mahal, you are Asian now. You eat all the rice at home, Mahal, so stop there. What?
That doesn't mean that I want to eat. You know, I go to Asia to eat Asian food. I go to Belgium to enjoy the Belgian food. Not the Asian food.
Wow, look at the background. I will take a picture of you, Mahal. So, where are we going next? There's still more Christmas market daw, eh.
Yes, more Christmas market is where we're going next.
I was just so judgmental. I was telling that super small Christmas market, but they have more. Okay, naubos na nila yung lumpia. Nabusog ako, guys, ba? May pa-skating po sila dito, oh, but hindi ice. Nabusog ako, nakita ko ang pamilya ko, guys, na nabusog po sila. Masaya na ako. Wow, spare ribs all you can eat. Wala, iba din po, oh. Alam nyo, mas maganda din magpunta dito pag walang Christmas market kasi makita nyo po talaga yung itsura talaga ng lugar. Nung ngayon kasi natatabunan siya ba? Natatakpan po siya. Is that also a church, Mahal? Hi, there's this Ferris wheel.
Small, right?
Yeah. Very big. Like Nathan, cash boom! Wow, there! Wow! Nag-i-enjoy ba kayo dito, guys? I'm so happy for you. Na kahit man lang sa vlog ko, nakikita nyo tong mga ganito, no? Nagbibenta din siya ng mga garlic, oh. Cheese. You know, it's also nice ba to go here without the Christmas market, then you can really see the beauty of the city.
But now you can see the beauty of the Christmas market.
Yeah. Wow. Ang benta nila dyan. Flammekush. How do you use flammekush? Huh?
Vlamkuch.
Flammekuch? What do you want to tell me?
Mahal. Look there, Mahal. It's 26 euros.
Sakay ba tayo, guys? Nakasakay naman kami kahapon. Ay, tama na siguro yun. Tingnan nyo ang building na yan. Nasira talaga ng ano ba, ng mga paganyan-ganyan. Kaganda talaga pumunta dito ng... Balik tayo dito, guys. Tingnan. Mahal, let's go back here.
Specialty, Mahal.
What?
Potato twister.
Yeah, may business ako niyan dati. Sa Pilipinas po, no? Potato twister. My love, let's go back here when there's no Christmas market, ha?
Sure. Vika wants to come here
Yeah.
when there's Christmas market.
Yeah!
Join us next year.
Sa Panibyanan ba, nag-send ako ng mga picture sa kanya. Sabi pa niya na gusto niya na daw sumama next year. Inibitan namin siya, ayaw niya daw. Ngayon na nakita niya ito. Sabi niya next time daw sasama na daw siya. Tingnan niyo, guys. Parang shopping mall yan sa loob, eh. The Post. Paganda sana kung makita pa natin yung likod niyan, o kung anong itsura niyan. Natakpan man. Mabenta po nila dito, oh. Mga pa, andyan yung ano ng TikTok, oh. Kita nyo? Yung pa-filter ng TikTok. Hello! Hello. Uy, sino kausap mo? Kanina pa siya hello ng hello. Ba't lifa Nathan, or? Ka-sweet naman ni Nathan. Nag-hello sa mga tao. Wow, that is Moy. Kay. Punta na po daw tayo sa ano ni Daniel. Sa kanyang palasyo. Kay may nahanap po siyang toy store dito. Maganda, guys. Very old na ba? Kadami po nilang pa-cathedral dito. Mga ano, tourist po yan sila. As in guys, siguro dito lang sa city na ito na nakikita ko ngayon ha. Nabang naglalakad ako, 3 po ang nakikita ko. Isa dyan at 2 dito. 15 minutes pa daw ang lakarin natin, oy. Kiss-kiss good sa akin. Say, I love you, mahal. Pagkatanong ko ilang minutes ba, papunta doon sa ano, sa mga board game store niya.
So this is the route we go to stores, and the other route it was pointing us at is the same time, same walking time, but no stores.
Ito yung with all the stores daw. Oh yeah, we need that, mahal. Let's buy that. The I Love Kent. Now. The I Love Kent.
What? Yeah, which one? There's a lot of I love.
Siyempre, kailangan natin to kay first time natin dito, no? Ay na naman siya. O, simula na naman siya. Sige, bati sa mga tao dito. Binabati niya lahat ng tao. Ka-cute pa ng pagka-hi. Hi! Sabi niya pa. Hindi lang nakunan ba? Maliit lang masyado yung stores nila. Wala pa ako nakita ng mga Zara, H&M. Dali na! Wow! I love it, guys. Ganda dito. Uy, punta kayo dito, uy. I highly recommend Ghent. Look at the details. Tarinig yung sinatan. High na po siya ng high. Parang magtakbo ng ano itong kagawad, itong anak ko ba? Parang tatakbo ata ng kagawad. He's running for president, mahal. Ay, andito yung malalaking ano nila, guys. Shopping area. Why?
Metal underground, then the next one.
Sige daw. Batut, Nathan. Wag kayong kakain dito, guys, kasi panos. Kung sa Tagalog pa, panis po yan, no? Panos sa ano ba? Sa Bisaya. May bago na naman tayong balik-balikan, guys. Isa na to siya sa ano, favorite na lugar ko. Wow. Mahal, you know what? This is also now the one of my favorite
Cities?
cities.
You like
Antwerp, Ghent. Yeah. I love it. May pa White House ata sila doon, oh. Look at that, everyone.
Around the corner.
I did not expect that the Ghent is this big. I really thought that it's just a small city. Kalaki niya po. Ah, kain na naman siya, oh. Bantay, magsuka ka na naman, ha. Nagsuka pa naman yan kagabi. Tingnan niyo, masaya yarn. Happy yarn. Diyan na siya sa kanyang mga pag-board games. Pabayaan natin yan siya, guys. Kay kalayo ba ng Dirnive niya, guys. Galing Netherlands. Did you enjoy Ghent, mahal?
What?
Did you enjoy Ghent?
It's nice.
Do you think it's a beautiful city to go back to?
It's a nice city.
Will you go back here again?
Sure.
Ang pa-building nila, oh. Very modern, di ba? Naiwan na ako na aking mag-ama. Yun na sila, oh. Nasa syudad na tayo. City Pajod. So, guys, nag-enjoy naman po ba kayo sa ating paggala sa Ghent? Abangan na naman sa vlog bukas kung saan na naman po tayo pupunta. Siyempre, hindi pa tapos ang araw. Ah, nakakalahati pa lang po tayo. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. We love you. See you again tomorrow. Don't skip the ads. Bye. Say bye, my love.
Salamat. Thank you for watching. Bye.